Hello friends, I am SOYL and welcoming you on your go-to destination for bold crypto revelations and future-focused strategies. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest crypto events of the decade, Cardano's Midnight Mega Airdrop, known as the Glacier Drop. This isn't just another airdrop, this is a cross-chain power move that could shake the foundations of Web3. Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, revealed in Toronto that the Midnight Airdrop will distribute two brand-new tokens, Night and Dust, to an estimated 37 million wallets across 8 major blockchain networks. Yes, you heard that right. According to, and this is one of the largest and most inclusive token distributions ever attempted, even more revolutionary. This airdrop completely excludes venture capitalists, giving every ounce of power to retail users like you and me. So what is Midnight? Midnight is Cardano's privacy-first sidechain. It's built for those use cases that need confidentiality, not criminal secrecy, but business-grade privacy. According to, and Midnight uses zero-knowledge proofs, a form of cryptography that allows data validation without revealing sensitive details, so transactions stay confidential but remain verifiable. This means DeFi, healthcare, supply chain, all could benefit without breaching trust or regulation. Now here's the kicker. Midnight also integrates chain abstraction. As confirms, this lets users interact across chains without bridges or token swaps. That means you could pay gas on Midnight using ETH, SOYL, or BTC. No wrapping, no complexity. That's a Web3 UX breakthrough. Coming to the airdrop itself, it's not just massive, it's meticulously designed. Night is the governance token. It'll let holders vote on protocol upgrades, treasury proposals, and more. Dust is the utility token, used for private transactions within Midnight's ecosystem. Both serve different purposes, ensuring balanced tokenomics and sustainable growth. According to the Crypto Basic and Cardano Spot, if you hold any of the 8 supported assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Solana, Binance Coin, Avalanche, or Polygon, you're likely eligible. Some sources even suggest basic attention token holders might be included. No official snapshot date yet. But BTrueBlog hints that self-custody wallets with qualifying balances will be automatically included. No forms, no tasks. Just hold and watch. But it gets better. Hoskinson made it clear. No insiders, no seed round whales. This airdrop is for us. As Jaromir Teaser pointed out on X, this retail-only model sets a new precedent for fairness in Web3 token distribution. Now, before you think of dumping your tokens post-airdrop, remember this. Historically, airdrops do trigger sell pressure. States over 74% of airdropped tokens trade below launch price in the short term. But Midnight is different. No VCs means no early dumps. And because dust isn't meant for trading, that's one less speculative asset flooding the market. ADA's price already surged from 76 cents to 84 cents after the airdrop news, as reported by. That's nearly a 10% gain in just 2 days, and more could follow as the snapshot date nears. Also, keep your eyes on X. Posts by @Cardanians_IO, @TapTools, and @MinswapIntern show the community is fired up. Cardano users are especially excited, with some suggesting that staked ADA might even receive bonus allocation. So what now? Stay sharp. Move your tokens to a non-custodial wallet. Follow official channels like midnight.network and cardano.org. Ignore any DM or pop-up asking you to connect wallet. That's likely a scam. This is more than an airdrop. It's a strategic expansion. Midnight strengthens Cardano's privacy layer, scales its interoperability, and hands power back to users. As Charles Hoskinson himself said, this could be the most important economic event in Cardano's history. Don't sleep on Midnight. Until next time, I'm SOYL and you're watching, where we break chains and ride trends. Stay early, stay smart, stay unstoppable.